Charlie decided she needed a bath this morning. She tried to get in a dirty pot. And hell, I'm getting wet all the way over here. I like how she's like dipping her butt in. What you doing?
Should have grabbed something a little wider, but
She's alright. It's working. I mean, it's just as big as that pot was that she wanted to bathe in, so. You good? Are you clean yet? Boy, you look funny. Don't get on the dirty dishes. Do you want a towel? Are y'all done? Guess you're gonna need a bigger towel than this. Is your butt dirty? Is that why you're cleaning your butt? She's been kind of horny. Maybe she's trying to cool down her cloaca. Oh, she's dipping it. I never seen her do this before. I mean, she's taking baths, but this is weird. She does try to bathe in a water dish. Are y'all done? Maybe not. Well, you're just having way too much fun. Hi, girl. What you doing, baby? You think you're all done now? Towel? No, you're gonna get on my arm and get me all wet.